Hi, it's Sue from Createful Journals, and in this quick video today I just wanted to show you how to set up Amember so that your coupons will automatically populate on the checkout form for your customer. So this is great if they don't remember the coupon code or it gets missed out of an affiliate email for some reason. So you come in here to your coupons and just set it up as you normally do, and then you want to add the date range. Now if you're testing this ahead of time, make sure that you just put in the current date and then your end date, so that when you test the coupon it will work. Otherwise it's not going to work until the date the coupon goes live. So come into Amember, put in your date, select the product as we normally do, and save. Then the next step is to pop on over to the forms configuration, find the form that you're using for your checkout, and then you come down to coupon and configure, and that's going to open up in a new window. And then you'll see this pop up here. So now you'll put in the default coupon code that you created, and then you want to put in the coupon date. So for testing purposes, put in the current date and then put in your end date, and then just remember, once you know this works, go back and then just put the date that the actual coupon starts. So fill all that in. Do not put in the required, because what will happen is if you forget to come back after the sale has ended and uncheck that box mark, the coupon won't populate, and then it won't let anyone buy it because it thinks it needs a coupon, and there's no coupon fill in. So make sure that you do not check that box at all. So then you would just click OK, click Save, and then you come to your buy button. So when your customers click on your buy button and they go to the Amember checkout page, this is what they will see. So it will have the product, and then if you scroll down to where your enter coupon code is, it's already there for them, so they don't have to worry about copy and pasting it or remember what it was. So I just wanted to show you very quickly how to do that, and it will save yourself time, and it's also going to help your affiliates, especially if they forget to put in a coupon code. It's already done for them. So hopefully that helps. And again, this was Sue from Createful Journals. Thank you.